Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly click on the subscription button, like and share. If you are watching from Facebook or other social platform, please click on the follow button, like and share too. Tonight I'll be showing you how to claim your daily cipher as usual, almost code. The letter before us is PUMP. 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 As usual, we click on our airpad tab 3 times. 1, 2, 3. For letter P, dot, dash, dash, dot. For letter U, dot, dot, dash. For letter M, dash, dash. For letter P, dot, dash, dash, dot. That's it. We take our price. Don't forget to click on like button, subscribe if you are watching from YouTube, follow, like and share if you are watching from other social platforms. Goodbye.